everybody. So I did a little bit of work on this the other night and didn't check to see what mode the camera was in, and it was in time lapse. So I did all of my explains and what's not on time lapse. So yeah, it doesn't make any sense. But I'll show you what I got done. Show you what I'm doing. The sun's really helpful today. And yeah, we'll continue on with it. Get the other side done, get it all buttoned up, and then it'll be good to go. Here's what we got done. So far we got that mounted. We need to trim the pins down. Still got this side to do. And yeah. That's that. Let's show you the underside. I had to cut it open. You can really see in that because of the sun. I had to cut open it so that I can put the bolts in to hold those down. But yeah, that's my plan for the hood pin setup. And then yeah, I think that'll be just about it for the 4Runner. I got a few more things to do, but that'll be it for now. Hopefully get it licensed today and be able to drive it around and do some tests on it, and some actual tests. Make sure she's gonna work good. Yeah. There we are. Now it's just a matter of drilling all the holes and bolting them in, and it'll be all done. This one's a little tighter fitting than that one, so that one pops out because the pins are too long to get. So yeah, that won't be too bad. Great. Alright, on to the next step. Alright, there we are. All bolted in and fancy looking. Take a step back. I just got to trim them up so the hood closes all the way. And there it is. Should be pretty swimming. So, I was thinking, let's see here. Okay, so it's got these rubber bump stops on it, and that's where the hood sits. Right. This one's not tight. I was thinking I could just take these rubber pieces off and use these to hold the hood from shaking, because they're there. Might as well use them, right? That's what I'm gonna try, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. finished up. Looking pretty slick. You just push that little button on this side. Push the little button. It goes. Like that. And close it. Done deal. So we got. Looks good. Functionality. That's the big thing. So yeah, this is gonna be a short one, but if you like the videos, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. That's a big important thing. I need subscribers. The more subscribers I get, the more cool stuff I can do. And I got a real fun project in the works. Just stick around to find out. Catch you guys later.